In this video, you'll learn the new material attachment pattern for zero-edge screens. Begin the process at one of the corners, and we'll focus on these two snaps first before applying the corner snap. With both hands, use your thumb and index fingers to grip the material around the snap, firmly pull the material up and over the frame, and use your thumb to snap the screen onto the loaded hardware. Let's repeat this for the other snap. Then, gently apply the corner snap. Once complete, repeat these steps for the remaining 3 corners. Next, move to the vertical side of the frame. Start by applying the snaps to the frame's middle portion, and work your way towards the corners on both sides using this pattern. Repeat this process for the other vertical side of the frame, followed by the horizontal sides of the frame, and you're finished. As always, reach out to Screen Innovations if you have any questions.